Hello again, this is Captain John with another one of my video tips of the week. Today I'm going to show you 7 ways to make your cruising sails last longer. Use a softer sailcloth for cruising sails. It's easier to raise, lower, reef, or bag the sail when it has a softer hand. That means that the sail has less resin or hard coating on the outside of the sail. Those sails might hold shape a bit better, but resin-coated sails, or those made with mylar, break down faster in the cruising environment. Choose a soft hand cruising cloth to make sail handling easier. Darker colored sail threads will last longer in a UV light environment. This applies to all products exposed to sunlight. The next time you need to order a sail, talk to your sailmaker about using sunlight resistant thread such as darker sail thread that can tolerate the sun much better. Your sailmaker sews a sacrificial cover along the leech and foot of your furling Genoa. This helps protect the furled sail from the sun. Use this same idea for sail covers. Choose dark blue, dark green, maroon, or even black over lighter colors for a mainsail cover that will last longer. Sheets, main sheets, and winches impose hundreds of pounds of loads onto the clew of your sail. Ask your sailmaker to add extra patch protection before you go offshore or coastal cruising. The number one enemy of a cruising sail will always be flogging. Sails will always flog to some degree, but you can use a leech line to reduce flogging on a mainsail, furling Genoa, or headsail. Tension the leech line on your sail just enough to put the flutter to sleep. Keep salt and dirt particles from chafing sail seams. Remove mainsails at least once a season, bathe them in a mild soap and water solution, and then rinse them with fresh water. Remove furling Genoas or headsails twice a season and clean them in the same way. Remember that some solvents and cleaners can damage a sail, so always check first with your sailmaker. If a storm is on the way and you need to leave your boat inside a marina, strip your boat of her furling Genoa, dodger, mainsail, mainsail cover, bimini tops, and any other exposed boat canvas. This could save you from the costs and the hassles of replacing this expensive gear later on. Now you know 7 ways to make any cruising sail last longer. This can save you money on sail repairs and replacement costs. This is Captain John, and this has been another one of my video tips of the week. Find more sailing tips and techniques on www.skippertips.com.